Yours doesn't have this, but it's the same depth, so...
The one you just pulled off, that come off the top or the bottom?
Off the top.
Okay, so those are the ones that the body shop got me before, because there was nothing on the top or the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, we've already gone at this once, and he was like, I could only get 2. Hopefully that'll resolve it, because I was going on a road trip, and I was like, I need the car back now, so we gotta go. So I didn't have time to get the parts. Which is why I was thinking mine need to go on the bottom. Now there's rubber on both sides.
Definitely won't go on the bottom. Yeah, this sits on top.
On top of that.
Yeah, these go on top. No, that won't work. The spring's fine on the bottom. It's already got its own little perch that it sits on. But the top...
What is all the fucking sound of?
It's slapping around on the top, I guess.
So this is off of the MK5. Right?
So is the spring.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this works. This will definitely work. It fits into it. We just have to notch off this because this does not have a dimple hole.
No.
For
See,
this.
I thought it would. That's the locator.
So I could actually cut this off very, very easily.
Yeah, just rubber, right?
Yeah. So we'll lop that off and we'll put it back in and see what it does.
Yeah, pick it up.
Nipple removal attempt number 1.
Oh, God. Oh, nipple.
Not your nipple, hopefully. Yeah. I mean, I'll tell you what, you get your nipple, and we're going to bank off this YouTube video.
Oh, yes. Viral. Quick.
Smells like a burnt nipple.
A little bit left. We'll take it off of this. Yeah. Metal grinding tools for rubber. Slide on it down. Just get her on it. Are you recording? Okay.
I sure am.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck it up.
There it goes.
And you fucked it up.
Sacrifice. That's just, you got a gravy job right now, man. Just yelled it. Literally, I'm watching what I'm doing by your camera. Alright. That's her. That's her right there. Nice. Nice. I need nice.
One of the big ones.
I need nice. 2 of the big ones. And I need them tonight.
I mean, in reality.
Fastest NA2 valve in Mariana.
Did you ever race in a
What'd you say?
Mustang?
Possibly fastest NA2
No,
valve in Mariana.
Possibly. No, that possibly.
Don't worry, I can definitely edit that possibly out of there. Jeeps run limiting straps. Yeah, but you... Wait, do you have a solid rear or independent?
Solid.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Duh, I knew that.
Oh, wow. That's right. You got fucking solid axle back here.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Well, that's just base model. For 170 bucks, I can go get a GTI independent rear suspension and bolt it in.
Handling.
Yeah, it just hasn't happened yet. Oh, you're only here for like 6 more days, and I don't have an extra $180.
I can do it a good day.
I can swap it in a day. That would be beautiful to put in here.
It's coming. It's such a cheap...
Sponsor plug!
Minco! Minco Truck and Auto Accessories for all of your auto and truck accessories in Tallahassee and surrounding counties.
And
In
they
fact,
have very badass merch.
they'll ship everywhere, I think. If that's incorrect, come find me and we'll fight about it. Yeah. You can find them on Instagram at Minco, that's M-I-N-C-O, truck.
They hit his ass with that aerosol can last night.
Oh, yeah.
One time my roommate back in the day thought it would be funny to like corner me coming out of the shower while I was naked and just defenseless. What he didn't account for is my fight or flight instinct being full blown just fight. There's no flight to it. And I just dropped the towel on my dick and chased him into my bedroom and fucking cornered him. and he jumped up on my bed, which was just a mattress on the floor, and he was dancing around trying to figure out a way to like juke me. But there was only one way out of my fucking bathroom, and it was through my wet dong and tits. And I was like 373 pounds at the time, so there was nothing he could do. He basically had to stand there, concede, and then like wait for me just to be like, all right, fuck it, I'm over this.
Please tell you're recording to that whole story.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's not the first time I've told the story, but it might be on video. So, you would think it would be making, yeah, you'd be hearing that shit, especially. And if it was under load, you would fucking hear it even less.
Yeah. Oh, this one feels alright. Let me check the other side though.
What? You're good. It's all low end. If you got up into fourth at like 65 and mashed it, you'd be like, what the fuck?
Oi, panic button. No panic button.
Panic button! Whoa, watch your stick.
Three-dimensional.
Make sure you got it centered.
You guys are watching this with your 3D goggles on. It's coming right fucking at you.
Check it on the side.
Coming right at
Check
you.
it on the side.
Back up. Stand. Alright, right there. You center?
Yep.
100%?
About 95%.
Huh?
95%. Not good enough for me.
What is it? Do it again. Catholics. It's this thing.
Huh?
It's silver.
Can I get some of that again? There we go. Oh, look at that thigh wiggle. Oh my god, that was oh look at the ass and thigh wiggle fucking you can see where the bottom of his thigh fat fucking touches his butt cheek.
17 ratchet wrench. That's just a regular wrench. I have somebody one of each. Ratchet and regular.
The only one you have is fucking standard.
Huh?
You don't have ones in metric.
Metrics and ratchets. 5/8, yes. Okay. That's
You want to grab you another 5/8?
Yeah, probably better.
Yeah, you guys have a lot of them,
No, we sold it.
If not, we'll just need new shocks. Are these factories?
No, it came with the whole kit.
So drop shocks.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Well, I'll tighten the shit out of it, and maybe, just maybe, it'll fix it. I'll put some grease on this bolt first. Shock up the car. Yeah, guy, our way.
German.
Yes, 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 yes. Keep going. Keeps it going. Keeps it going. Why am I not Russian? Or German.
Yeah, I was like, wrong country.
One of them. Yes. Alright, nope. Yeah. Just like that. Like a glove.
Oh yeah. Got you.
We were already double deep in the ball shots.
Harder.
None?
Do it again.
Oh.
Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going.
Are you fucking with him at this point or what?
Checked over every inch of this damn thing.
Okay, you're good. You're good. You're done. At this point, he just likes watching your fucking dick jiggle in your pants.
Probably.
Yeah, I see the grease monkey in its natural habitat, trying to figure out how to put the tool back into the correct place. It seems to be struggling.
Oh shit.
It's German, so.
I do not speak German.
Scheiße.
What to do about this? Nothing makes sense.
The mental stress on the grease monkey is too much.
It's great because it has a timer on it, so I actually know how long this has been going on. I missed the first 3 minutes of it. So.
It's gotta go right here. Oh shit! It just has to. Just wait. Hang on. Okay. It's a good thought. Shit.
I like the process.
Might be on the backside. That's a thought.
Those actually are not tools for the car, so don't think that those play some part in it. They're just crammed in there basically.
This can't even go there. Can't go this. Can't do this. Can't necessarily do this. So it's got to do this of some type. Just not sure what the hell.
You know, my favorite videos like this are the ones where somebody just gets up and walks over and then shows you how to do it real quick. The jacked up part is...
I'm the guy that Oh, wait, hang on.
The jacked up part is I couldn't walk over there and just put it in. It would take me probably equally as long to get that bitch in. I mean, I guess since it's styrofoam, you could call that in and shoving it in.
No, that's how it goes.
Is it?
It's the tension and everything.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, so if we figure the first part of it was maybe 2 or 3 minutes, it was... Oh yeah, I moved the seat and the steering wheel when I was putting the pedal in, so you're probably so far away. Oh man, let's see if it doesn't squeak anymore. Oh my god, my rear third light is embarrassingly fucked up. It's all kinds of jazz.
Like electronic brakes or something?
It's got reverse hill assist, so if you can't, like, you can let off and it'll sit there for a couple seconds before you go backwards. Oh my god, no sound. It would already be just like, yeah. Yeah, boy. Oh, he's out of here though. I'm never gonna see him again.